This video goes over American Eagle Instruments XP technology. Traditionally, in dental hygiene school, we are taught to find the base of the calculus, firm up our grasp, apply lateral pressure, and pop or fracture the calculus off. But with American Eagle's XP technology, stop the pop. This sharpen-free technology only requires a light scaling stroke. By lightening up our grasp, you have the ability to shave or plane through the calculus. The secret is in the XP manufacturing process, which produces an extremely wear-resistant instrument. Harnessing the power of this engineered metal, these instruments require no sharpening for the life of the instrument while retaining its sharp edge. By utilizing this modified scaling technique, it increases patient comfort while reducing clinician fatigue. Because XP technology wears at a much slower rate than stainless steel instruments, you no longer have to worry about sharpening your instruments throughout the day to prevent burnishing calculus with dull instruments. Using XP technology can save your hands and wrists from injury and allow you to have a long and fulfilling career in dental hygiene. Happy scaling!